You want to understand what leverage means in the forex trading. You want to understand what lot sizes to use and how much money you're going to make in each of the lot sizes. No problem, you're welcome to the right channel. I'm going to be showing you how to manage your leverage account properly and all the lot sizes you really need to know. Yeah, you're welcome back. My name is Kingsley and this is Lions Kings Forex Academy, where we raise disciplined traders. So to first understand Forex, you have to understand what pips really means. Looking at the world most traded currency, the Euro USD, the current price for the Euro USD, it's 1.11218 and the Euro is 1. This means that for every 1 Euro you are getting this particular USD. A pip is the fourth decimal number after the point. That's what we call a pip. This pip can either go up or comes down. If it goes up in one digit, this particular one turns to 2. If it goes down in one digit, this particular one turns to 0. When it comes to lot sizes, there are 3 lot sizes you'll be considering. We have the 0.01, which is the micro. We have the 0.10, which is the mini, and we have the 1.00, which is the standard. I'm going to be showing you how much you'll be getting in each of the lots in 1 pip rise when 1 pip goes up or comes down. Now, if your base currency is USD, that's the United States dollars, for a micro lot, which is the smallest lot size the broker is willing to offer out, it's 0.10 cents. Then for a mini lot, how to calculate it is the 0.10 times 10, which is equals to 1. Then for a standard lot size, which is the highest for a bigger account size, is what? 1 times 10, which is equals to what? Or which is equal to 10 USD. If the price rises from 1.11218 to 1.11318 and you have a standard lot on it, you have made about 100 USD. Why? Because it's rising 10 pips. Then if you have a mini lot on it, you've made, what is this? You've made 10 USD. And if you have a micro lot, which is the smallest lot sizes, a forex broker is willing to offer out, you've made about 1 USD. What this means in the unit of measurement, to make this order, you will need about, or for a standard lot size, you will need about 100,000 physical cash of that currency to be able to purchase one standard lot size. That's all. That's a very huge one. That's about 111,218 of that currency. Same with a mini, which you need about 10,000 of that currency to be able to purchase a mini lot size. With a micro, that you need about 1,000 physical cash of that currency to be able to purchase a micro lot size. You know, this is not visible, this is not possible without a broker. So I don't think you have that kind of a money, a whooping 100,000 US dollars sitting in your account, talking of a day trader. So whatever money you have, whatever account size you have, it's been leveraged by an amount. In our next class, we'll be talking about leverage. We'll be looking at it bit by bit. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be showing you a trade I made, GPB USD. I took that trade yesterday evening. And it's a strategy I've been back testing. You're going to love the strategy, and it works very well using the engulfing bullish candle pattern. So just look at it here, and it's already a win.
Okay, I took a trade yesterday evening, and on the 30 minutes time frame, as you can see, 1 hour. I know what I did was that I drawed the trend line. I bought my trend line here, and my trend line to measure the trend, to know the trend's direction, and it was a bullish trend direction. And what's here is also the what I imputed here. It's the moving average. This is the 25 moving average, and this is the 50 moving average, and this is the 100 moving average. So if you check, the candle hits the moving average here and went up to an upward trend, and it came, went to back test here and went and touches the 25 moving average. So as it touches it, is if you place a trade here, if you have placed a trade here, it's a win-win. And also it came, touches here, if you have placed a trade here, it's a win-win. If it comes, touches here, if you have placed a trade here, it's also a win-win. Then what I did was that, and it comes to this direction, came here, play around this direction, then I marked here as my support. I marked here as my support level for 1 hour support level. Then came, touches here, and I waited, and I saw a bullish engulfing pattern here. Then I now entered my trade at this price, 1.3899. I entered a long position. It came, touches here, and went boom, and it went up. And you can see I'm already at a profit of $35. Then what I'm trying to show you here, it's if you had entered this trade in using this moving average at this point here, it's a win. Or at this point, as it touches this yellow 25 moving average is a win, as it touches this is a win, as it touches this is a win, as it touches this is a win. This is a 30 minutes time frame, and also back tested it with a 1 hour time frame to see if I was sure of this. Thank you very much for staying in my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for me to be giving you free content and all that.